What if slowing down aging had less to do with your genes and more to do with your daily habits? Welcome back to Contain Your Life, where we explore how to live better, one small choice at a time. Aging isn't just about the years passing by. It's about how well your body can recover, repair, and manage stress every single day. The good news is, you have more control than you think. Let's start with one of the most powerful habits: sleep. Getting quality sleep before 11 p.m. isn't just an old wives' tale. It actually aligns with your body's natural circadian rhythm, maximizing the time your body spends on crucial cellular repair. Think of it as your internal maintenance crew clocking in for their most important shift. And what's the first thing you should do when you wake up? Hydrate. Starting your day with lemon water or mineral-rich water doesn't just quench your thirst. It kickstarts your digestion and supports your body's natural detox pathways, helping to flush out waste more efficiently. Now, let's talk about movement. You don't need to run a marathon to see anti-aging benefits. Simply walking for at least 20 minutes a day can be a game changer. It improves circulation, keeps your joints healthy, as well as boosts your metabolic function, all without putting unnecessary stress on your body. Okay? It's gentle, effective, and something almost anyone can do. Of course, what you eat is just as important as how you move. One of the biggest drivers of premature aging is chronic inflammation. You can fight this by reducing processed foods and inflammatory seed oils. Instead, focus on whole, real foods. And when you eat matters too. Try to have your last meal at least 2 to 3 hours before you go to bed. This helps stabilize your blood sugar and gives your body a break from digestion, allowing it to focus on overnight repair processes. To give your meals an extra anti-aging boost, get friendly with your spice rack. Adding powerful spices like turmeric and ginger to your cooking provides incredible natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. These little additions can make a big difference in protecting your body from the inside out. Speaking of protection, let's not forget about our minds. Chronic stress accelerates aging at a cellular level. Simple practices like deep breathing, meditation, or even just 5 minutes of quiet time can protect your nervous system and slow down that process. It's about finding what calms you and making it a non-negotiable part of your day. Your diet can also be a powerful shield against aging. Berries and dark leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with antioxidants and nutrients that protect your cells from oxidative damage, which is a key factor in aging. And while we're on the topic of protection, don't forget your skin. Shielding it from excessive sun exposure is one of the best ways to preserve its collagen and elasticity, keeping it looking youthful for longer. Another powerful technique is overnight fasting. Giving your body a 12 to 14-hour window without food allows it to switch from digesting to repairing. This process, known as autophagy, is like a deep clean for your cells. Then, when you do break your fast, start your day with a meal rich in protein and healthy fats. This supports muscle maintenance, which is crucial as we age, and helps balance your hormones for steady energy throughout the day. Let's touch on a modern-day habit that's aging us faster than we realize: screen time. Limiting your exposure to screens, especially before bed, dramatically improves your sleep quality. Better sleep means better repair, which directly affects how quickly your body ages. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, don't underestimate the power of joy. Laughing, connecting with friends and family, finding ways to lower your stress are some of the most potent longevity tools you have. A happy, connected life is often a longer, healthier one. So remember, aging isn't something to fear. It's a process you can actively influence with small, consistent choices every single day. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to Contain Your Life for more content on living your best life. See you next time.